Welcome to a journey of discovery where we explore the powerful impact that food can have on our eyesight. Did you know that what we eat can help protect and repair our eyes? It's true. In this video, we will uncover the nutritional secrets that will keep your eyes healthy and sharp even as you age. So get ready to be inspired and motivated as we delve into the amazing world of foods that are good for your eyes. Let's get started. Welcome to Health Info Guide, your guide to optimal health and wellness. Carrots, these are not only delicious foods, but they are also very good for your eyes. This is because carrots contain a special nutrient called vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for your eyes. After all, it helps protect the outer covering of the eye, called the cornea. This is the clear part that covers the front of your eye. If your cornea is healthy, it will help you see better, especially in low-light conditions. Vitamin A is also important because it can help prevent a condition called night blindness. This is when you have trouble seeing in the dark. If you eat enough carrots, your body will have enough vitamin A to prevent this from happening. Another reason carrots are good for your eyes is that they contain antioxidants. Antioxidants are special nutrients that help protect your eyes from damage. There are two antioxidants found in carrots that are especially good for your eyes, lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help to protect your eyes from harmful things like UV rays from the sun and oxidative stress. This type of stress can cause your eyes to age faster and can lead to problems like cataracts. So, if you want to keep your eyes healthy and protect your vision, it's a good idea to eat plenty of carrots. Carrots are a great food to include in your diet, along with other fruits and vegetables. By eating a diet rich in these foods, you will be helping your eyes stay healthy for many years to come. Nuts and legumes. Eating nuts and legumes, such as almonds, peanuts, and beans, is a great way to protect and repair your eyes. These foods contain essential nutrients that are important for eye health. One of the key nutrients in nuts and legumes is vitamin E. This vitamin acts as a protector for your eyes, helping to shield them from damage caused by harmful particles in the air. By eating foods that are high in vitamin E, you can help keep your eyes healthy and functioning properly. Another important nutrient for eye health is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are found in many types of nuts and legumes, and they help to support the health of the retina, the part of the eye that senses light. A diet that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help to keep your eyes functioning well, even as you age. By eating a variety of nuts and legumes, you can ensure that you are getting a good dose of these important nutrients, which can help keep your eyes healthy and functioning properly. Fish. Eating fish is like giving your body a power-packed dose of health and happiness, and it is important for maintaining good eyesight because it contains essential nutrients that can protect and repair your eyes. These nutrients include omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for eye health because they reduce inflammation and prevent damage to the cells in your eyes. This helps keep your eyes healthy and prevents the development of age-related eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin A is crucial for good eyesight because it helps your eyes adjust to changes in light and maintain sharp vision. It also supports the health of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for detecting light and transmitting images to the brain. Vitamin D is also important for healthy eyes because it helps your eyes absorb calcium, which is necessary for good eye health. Without enough vitamin D, your eyes may not be able to absorb enough calcium, leading to weakened eyesight over time. Having good eyesight is crucial for daily activities like reading, driving, and recognizing faces. It also enhances the overall quality of life, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the world around you. By incorporating fish into your diet, you can help protect and repair your eyes, preserving your good eyesight for years to come. Oysters. Eating oysters is a delicious way to nourish your body and mind. These saltwater delicacies are packed with nutrients that are essential for good health. So, do you want to keep your sight in tip-top shape? Look no further than the mighty oyster. Eating oysters can help protect and repair your eyes because they are a rich source of nutrients that are important for eye health. These salty sea treats are packed with eye-loving nutrients like zinc, vitamin A, and omega-3 fatty acids. Zinc acts as a superhero, protecting your eyes from damage caused by evil free radicals. Vitamin A is like a personal trainer for your eyes, helping you see clearly. And the omega-3 fatty acids are like a soothing massage for your eyes, reducing inflammation and keeping them feeling fabulous. So go ahead and have some oysters for a fun and delicious way to keep your eyes healthy and strong. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you learned how important it is to take care of your eyes and how incorporating foods like carrots, leafy greens, fish, eggs, and nuts into your diet can help protect and repair them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, take care of your eyes and stay healthy.